So today I'm going to spray this room, paint this room. As you can see, it's quite a big room. It's just been plastered, plaster's drying off. I'm never really a good painter, but I've got some new gear. I've got as you can see here, this is the Wagner sprayer that I'm going to use to spray the room. They do some smaller DIY ones, but I went for the larger one. It's still DIY, it's not professional kit, but I got a lot of spray painting to do. This is the hopper where the paint gets poured into. It comes with a spray gun. Quite nice looking. These are some bits, these are the nozzles and stuff. I've got to put it together. Comes with a set of filters. These are used for different spray thicknesses, for paint thicknesses. I've also got a 10 metre pipe, and then I got an extension leads, two 30 centimetre extensions, because I've got to paint a ceiling, which is quite high up, and I don't want to be getting on a ladder. But I'm 6 foot, so hopefully I should be able to reach. I don't have a stirrer to mix up the paint, so I just fabricated one from some of the leftovers. I'm just going to attach it to my drill and give it a spin to mix up the paint. The first coat of paint will be a mist coat. It's a 50-50 mix of white emulsion and water, which will act as a bonding layer that prevents the final coat from peeling from too much water absorption on the plaster. I've masked up the windows and the radiators. I've used masking tape and a cling film. A lot of guys on the other YouTube videos, they're professionals, they don't need to mask up, they just use this steel plate, but I'm not there yet. I start by spraying the mist coat. It's not very thick, so it creates these nice lines, but you have to be careful not to go too close or it will create a run. Once left to dry, I can start with my top coat. It's a much thicker emulsion, so it goes on more even. It will still look like you have a lot of lines, but these disappear once the full paint has dried. So the room's finished now. 2 coats of basic paint straight over the mist coat. Probably could have left the mist coat to dry a little bit longer. I don't think it bonded entirely. It's probably going to be okay. It's taken me 8 hours to do this room, which is longer than I was hoping. It took me a while to get my hands around doing the mist coat and getting control of the spray gun, but much faster now, so it should be much quicker doing the rest of the house. Really pleased with the finish. I think it looks really good. Leave it to dry tonight. We'll take the cellophane down off the windows and we'll check the colour out in the morning and see how it looks.